Hi crafty friends, my name is Twyla Davis, and today I'm going to share with you a tutorial on how to make this cute heart window box and this is for Splitcoaststampers. And today I'm going to use Stampin' Up! Supplies because I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. So the first thing you're going to need is a piece of designer paper or pattern paper, and I'm going to show you the measurements and how to score using a white piece of paper so you can see that. Okay, first you're going to cut your pattern paper to 6 3/4 by 11 1/4. On the long side you're going to score at 4 1/4, 6 and 10 1/4. On the short side you're going to score at 1 3/4 and 5. You're also so let me show you that. Okay, so you're going to go ahead, let's go ahead and score these. Let me fold them. So I can find all my score lines. Okay, you're going to take a piece, or you're going to take a pair of scissors, paper snips, and where those X's are, you're going to cut those out. This is going to make your top flap. For your box, okay? All right, once you have that done, then you're going to cut out this window right here, and you're going to cut it out and leave a 1/2 inch around it. So we're going to use our paper trimmer for that. So I'm going to move it over to a 1/2 inch. This doesn't have to be exact either, so just somewhere in there, or you could also use a pair of scissors. Okay, yeah, I just about cut that way too high. So a 1/2 inch all the way around. Mine may be a little bit more than that, but I can't really see what I'm doing. Let's go this way. 1/2 inch. Like I say, it doesn't have to be exact, and it's not going to be exact, but that's okay because it's going to be covered up. Okay. Okay. So here's my hole, and it's not too bad. Pretty close. Okay. All right. So after you get that done, then you're going to need a piece of pattern paper. Um, 3 1/4 by 4 1/4. Okay, and then you're also going to need a plastic clear sheet or a window sheet. And if you don't have something like that, you can use like a plastic film from what like your clear stamps are connected to, and just cut that down if you would like. Okay, so we've got those. We're going to use our heart punch, and we're going to punch a window. We're going to slide it up from the bottom. You could also use a heart die if you want. Okay, so we're going to do that. Okay, so we're going to, and I've already got my double stick tear tape on this window sheet. So we're going to take it, peel this off, and we're going to attach it. I think I'm going to do it to the back side. My instructions that I gave may have been to the front side. Put it on the front side, but I think I'm going to put it on the back side on this one. You want to make sure your sticky stuff isn't over your window. Okay. Okay, so we have that. Then we're going to take our glue. We're going to glue this onto here, just around the outside. You can maybe put a little bit down here because of the window. This is going to go right on where your fold would be. Okay. If you do it with glue, you've got a little bit of time to play with it. Okay. So that's going to give you your window. Now let's trim these. Didn't do that a while ago. And come back here. For these solid lines are cut lines, okay? These are going to be your side flaps. I love this Valentine paper, it's so cute. It's fun, happy paper. Okay, so there's that. Now, if you don't like the way this looks, so you can cut another piece of DSP. I cut one at 3 1/8 by 4. Then I'm going to use the heart. Punch another window. Do it in the middle again. And then I'm going to put this on this side. So it just covers up the film. And it just makes it look more finished. But you're probably not going to see it on the inside anyway, so I don't know if it matters to you or not. If you don't want to, that's fine too. We won't take off points. Okay, if you don't want to do that. Okay, here's that. So we've got our window. Now we're going to take our... Well, we was going to take a corner rounder punch, and I don't have that with me, so I'm going to just do this. Can I stick this up in here and round it? I think I can. Okay, here's your new technique for your heart punch. I'm just going to stick that up there, round off my corners. I think that looks pretty good, guys. Okay, all right. Let's see, the next thing we need to do is punch out a heart, another heart, using the real red. So we're going to punch out a heart, and then we're going to use the ruffly heart that's a little bit bigger. This is the heart combo. It's a little bit bigger. And this is a step you don't have to do if you don't want to. It just adds a little frame around your heart, around your heart window. And you probably need to use thinner glue than that. Fine glue tip. But we're going to try this, see if it works. I'll try not to put my head in the way. Okay, just kind of helps make it show up a little bit. Okay, let's put our box together. So we're going to start from the back. Let's see, we're going to glue our flaps. Some glue in our flaps. And we're going to go from the back. I'm going to bring the back ones up first, because I want these front flaps to be going backwards like this, because I think it makes a cleaner looking box. So we're going to do that. Send there, use your scissors or something to put it down. A bone folder would be good for that. as an afterthought. Okay, we got that. I'm going to pinch these two top sides together. Fold this down. Okay, so it looks like this. We're going to take our crocodile and we're going to find the middle. I'm going to use the bigger hole. Find the middle and just come over just a little bit. I'm going to eye it. And about a 1/2 inch apart. Punch some holes in it. Like such. We are going to use the Sweet Conversation stamp set from Stampin' Up! And we're going to stamp a couple of hearts on a scrap of white and petal pink, I believe, in red, real red. Now there's also dies that come with that, but you can also just, since these are little hearts, I'm going to just cut them out. Okay. So through the magic of video, here's my little hearts. Okay. So we're going to glue these on. Here, and we'll use a little mini dimensional to stick the other one up. If I can get it. My fingers don't want to work. And put that there. Okay. Let's see, what else do we need? Get this out of the way. We need a little bit of shred. We are almost done. The paper, the DSP I used was called Valentine. Let's see, Sweet Talk. Sweet Talk. I'm going to use a little bit of pink shred. Put some Hershey Kisses in here. Oop. You don't want to fill it too full or you won't be able to close it. I'm going to put one more in there. Okay, like that. I'll probably put some more in there, but that's going to suffice for now. I'm going to take about a piece, 12-inch piece of ribbon. And we're going to thread it through. I love the crocodile. I wish we still carried it, but we don't. But you can buy crocodile anywhere. I have a friend, Tammy, that has a song that she made up about it. Okay, we're going to thread this through. I won't sing it for you because you probably wouldn't enjoy it. We're going to tie our bow. Like such. Let's see, our ribbon is, what are we using? Our faux linen ribbon. It ties very nice. It's a lot easier to tie than the super slick stuff. And here you go. Here is your box. So just think, I mean, you could make all kinds of windows. At Christmas, you could make a little tree window, a little bunny window for Easter. Wouldn't that be cute? I hope you've enjoyed my video, and thanks for joining me, and everyone have a crafty day. Bye.